Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add border in CapCut PC. If you're new to CapCut PC and you don't know how to add borders to your video, I'm gonna show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the CapCut app. Now, create a new project. Click on import to import photos or videos for your project. For now, I'll choose this video. Click on import. Now we'll drag it to the timeline like this. Since we want to add border to this video, we'll go to this section and scroll all the way down until you see canvas. Click on show like that, and as you can see there is none selected. Click here and click on color. Now choose the color for your video border. For now I'll choose white. And now if we go up to the scale and decrease the size of the video, we'll get this beautiful border for our video. Now let's see how it looks if we play the video. And just like this, we have added border in CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.